Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive in Undri. We are not very far from the Bishop School as well. This is one of the most serious issues that plagues this city, especially during monsoons. Huge holes in the ground, which are craters and potholes. You can see what a serious accident hazard and mishaps can be caused with these huge craters, which are about at least maybe 1.5 to 2 feet deep. The commuters have to navigate around this, but the problem is that during the night and especially while overtaking and in torrential rains, the two-wheeler or the four-wheeler or the three-wheeler will suddenly come across these craters, and if the two-wheeler suddenly brakes, they are bound to skid and fall. And if they are carrying their families with them, if they are traveling with their families, most of the people in Pune do not wear helmets. This can result in a serious mishap, a serious accident, and also could result in fatalities. See the size of these huge holes in the ground. They are craters, huge craters. And this is not just in Undri. We just came all the way from Prince of Wales Drive and Empress Garden. We are going to be driving back, riding back, and you will be able to see throughout this entire stretch of road, this route, there are hundreds and hundreds of craters and potholes. Now, the big question is that the Pune Municipal Corporation has recently repaired, according to them, 1,134 of these so-called craters, and 54 are left. Do you think that is a fact? You can see just in this area alone, in this stretch, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are just 5 huge craters in this area. So you can see this one here as well. See the size of this. You can imagine what happens in the night if a speeding two-wheeler suddenly comes and gets into this huge pothole. You can see how the cars have stopped. Nobody wants to go through the potholes. This one is forced to. This is a serious risk. Let's take a look at some of the other potholes along the stretch. Same stretch of road coming in from Vanori Bazaar and heading towards Bhairava Nala. You can see this entire like a canal, like a deep canal is sprung up where some bricks and rocks have been put in. Dangerous for vehicles, especially for two-wheelers. On the right side is Empress Garden, and we are just offshore. So you can see this entire canal type stretching from one end of the road right next to the police chowki, which is right here. So we are right now on the stretch of road coming in from Vanori Bazaar and headed towards Bhairava Nala and Empress Garden. Right in the center of the road, you can see a huge crater, and such Pune's roads are actually riddled with huge potholes and craters, which is it's a serious for commuters, especially two-wheelers, who see such craters at the last minute, brake, skid, and then there is an accident. Huge crater opposite the Hyatt Regency on the Nagar Road. Craters like these are strewn all over the city, causing a huge inconvenience for the traffic. You can see vehicles trying to avoid the crater. Some can and some cannot. You can imagine the condition during night when there's absolute low visibility and in torrential rainfall. So we are right now on Ban Garden Road in the Pune cantonment area, a short distance from Ruby Hall and Jahangir Hospital, and right opposite Wadia College. There's another huge crater right behind me, and this crater is right in the center of the road below the metro track. You can see the size of this crater. It's really huge. It's right in the center of the road. This presents a clear and present danger for all types of vehicles, especially autos, three-wheelers, two-wheelers. Have to navigate, as you can see, turn. Even the buses are avoiding it, and two-wheelers are in great danger. Right now it is visible because it is not filled with water, but it is very far here. But you can imagine when it's covered with water, or during night time when there's a lot of rain and it's covered fully, at that point of time the huge crater is absolutely invisible. Even SUVs and other kinds of cars, rickshaws, everybody is avoiding this crater. It's really huge. It's really in the center of the road. You just saw it. Buses, tempos, autos, two-wheelers, everybody is avoiding it. They know that if they suddenly get into it and the vehicle skids, they are going to fall, and it's not only going to cause an injury, it will cause a fatality. The Pune Cantonment Board needs to have this fixed in conjunction with the traffic department. This needs to be addressed immediately, along with all the other craters and potholes we saw right from Undri till here. So this is Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror with camera person Swapnil on the Bun Garden Road, right opposite Wadia College, and a short distance away from Ruby Hall and Jahangir Hospital.